Hi, welcome to Catrub. Let's be honest, there's some ugly plush furniture which nobody wants to have in their home. They often appear as foreign objects and do not fit in with furnishings. We want to change this to benefit both the cat and the apartment. Introducing Catrub 1. The Catrub 1 is the first modular, multifunctional cat furniture that includes all the important features along with a modern design. Our goal was to combine all the important functions in a single piece of furniture, no matter if it is a place to sleep, to play, for claw sharpening, or for grooming. We have everything in one. As almost all items are easy to combine, no matter if dual floor or monofloor, you can combine the modules according to your wishes. All wear and tear parts like sizzle or scratch carton are easily replaceable. In addition, you can simply attach the brush for grooming either inside or on the back from the outside. We know that cleaning cat furniture can be an issue. It was important for us to develop the product so it could be easily and quickly cleaned anytime without much effort. We've planned every element and every functional feature throughout our product development down to the last detail to create the best cat furniture for the cat and for the owner. We released our first prototype last summer, and the feedback was incredible. We record all feedback and analyze it consistently for improvement to bring the best cat furniture on the market ever. Now we need your support. Back us today and be the first one to get the Catrub 1. You will never need another cat furniture to make your cats happy.